Alright, I got a couple dead fir trees. One's kind of decent size, the other one's small. Here's the one I'm going to climb. So pretty straightforward. Climb up, cut the limbs, cut the top, chunk the wood. We're hauling the wood, so I'm going to try to leave them a little bit long. I'll take you guys along for the ride. It's getting kind of rainy. It's supposed to start storming pretty good, so I kind of want to rush through this. So I'll turn the camera back on when I get to cut. So I guess he's going to work on getting that little one down, throw a rope up in it, pull it whatever way. I'm just going to go ahead and keep working on this thing. Headache. I'm gonna send a top right out there. Kind of by that dead madrone tip. Headache! We're gonna ask Damien's opinion, but he only gets 2 sentences to tell me what the outcome is on this stem. Is there room?
Jeff's gonna high stump it.
That's
he's
one.
Gonna put it just to the right hand side of the pile.
2, all right. High stump, right hand side of the pile.
But let it be known, if he hits the pile, he fails.
It's kind of a wobbly pile.
Picture that being a brand new baby, a newborn baby sitting in its stroller.
Or a big pile of eggs or something.
Rotten eggs.
I hit that stem a little.
Just a little.
Kissed it.
Hey, you gotta kiss it before you kill it.
Yeah.
Ooh, what do we got here, Jeff?
Kind of dialedness, beast mode style hinge.
Yeah. Nice job. Did it hit that first stem?
It hit
Yeah,
the
I
first
guess.
stem, yeah, it just nicked it.
Yeah.
Damien's got his last tree. My thoughts in 2 sentences.
They better be good, Jeff.
Kind of a dead, crusty, light tree. There's a green tree with a big, fat limb. We've got to push through it, break it, slide through it.
I think it's
somehow.
gonna have to break.
I think it's gonna break.
It's at a bad angle for us too, to just
The limb's probably
slide
like,
itself right in.
it's a honker limb kind of facing kind of towards us, so like if it was big enough and it hit and slid in, it'd be hung up, but he's gonna try to gun it out a little bit to get it to pop, but not too far, because there's a
step here
nice
so you can see
madrone
that
over
view.
there. So can he do it? We'll find out.
Like, dude, the truck is.
Limb popped.
It was dialed.
Nice job.